Alright, so as you can see, I've spared you the crinkling of the paper and the actual unboxing of the unboxing video. I think it still qualifies. I bought a custom Saber with light and sound. I individually picked out my hilt. So without further ado, here's what you came to see. There are many like it, but this one is mine. The Fallen. Let me tell you, these things are really gorgeous. People keep complaining about how thick they are. I don't really feel it though, but I've got big hands. I'm kind of moose-sized. Now you might notice that on the front, it's nice and smooth. The reason for this is I prefer the look of these pinned-in emitters. So when I ordered it, they weren't available as a selection that you could choose on the website, so I assumed they were out of stock. So at the bottom, if it said, do you have any special instructions or anything like that, I said, yeah, if you guys have those plain emitters, I like to have one of those on there because I think they look more traditional to the game. And you can see it's all in black. It's going to have an illuminated button. Any guesses on what color this is going to be? That's right. Red only, except no substitutes. She's definitely pretty. Alright, thanks Ultrasabers.